This is Trains in Montreal, and here at the Pointe St.Charles yard, looks like another EXO train is moving. And we got one moving over here, coming up the Y, headed towards Central Station. Actually, it's heading through the yard, probably to back up into Central Station. And there you can see the last of the MR-90s. The last line of MR-90s are sitting here at Pointe St.Charles yard waiting to be disposed of. So there are a few left here on the 23rd of November 2022. The last line. And here, of course, there's personnel going to line the switches for this EXO Transit F59PH and 3 coaches, which will be the Mascouche line train. And over here we got the switchers. They're moving. They're on the move. Look at that. Pretty smoky. It's not really a cold temperature today either. So that GP38-2 W is really smoking for no real reason, no apparent reason, other than maybe it's got tuning issues. There they're hooking up to a line of cars. Meanwhile, what's happening over here? Not quite sure. There's a glimpse of those MR-90s being disposed of before their time, really. And there's a GP40-2 X City Rail. The CN has actually taken it over. And this one is a really old locomotive that's in a newer paint scheme. Here, of course, they're going to take out this line of cars. And here, this EXO train is moving forward. One of the nicest paint schemes for the F59PHs. I mean, obviously the EXO could go in that circle there and make it nice. Is it backing up? What's it doing? Waiting for clearance. He's going now. And then he's going to back up around the Y. And of course, at the same time, that really smoky CN train is going too at the same time. So how many cars is it going to be moving? Seems like quite a lot. I'm thinking he's not finished though. Here, he just detached a few cars. And he'll be pushing this back in a minute. So I'm going to go and get a little bit of a better view of this. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.